This is Martin from Africa Power Fencing from Polokwane, Limpopo, South Africa. We got a service repair center for energizers. We actually registered Gallagher Repair Center, but we also repair all brands of energizer on the market. In this case, we got an M10,000 on the table, came in with an ER22 error, and we have repaired the main module, removed the faulty components, and also replaced the underfarad capacitors. Bearing in mind this energizer has got 12 pulse grade capacitors. Right, and we are going to be using a EPM energizer performance meter. It's a true test product to measure the output voltage. We will not be able to, at this load of 50 ohm, be able to measure the joule output, because the unit can only measure up to 66 joules. Let's give it a go. Starting up. Energizer is adapting. 50 ohm load. Very heavy load. Settling down 179 amps. And the display is indicating 9.3 kV. On the EPM, we are measuring 9.2 kV. And as I said before, we cannot measure the joules because the unit cannot calculate the high energy of this energizer. This energizer is probably delivering close to 70 or over 70 joules at this load. We're quite happy with this energizer's performance. Ready for the next energizer. Thank you for watching.